Hi friends, and welcome to another Quickie with Nikki.
Oh, yeah.
So if you are new to Quickies with Nikki's, hello, my name is Nikki. In these videos, we do very quick beauty news and product reviews. Let's jump right into it. You guys know I love Amazon. I've done a million Amazon hauls. I spend a lot of my money on Amazon. I'll leave a link to my Amazon playlist down below. I've done videos on how to get free products from Amazon, hauls, all that good stuff. So did you know that you could get beauty samples from Amazon for like next to nothing? And when I say beauty samples, I mean like high-end products, affordable products. Let's see, they have Skin Iceland, they have Strivectin, which is very expensive. Strivectin, their creams, even the ones I've seen at Marshall's are like 80 bucks, 70 bucks. They have Skin Iceland, Vichy, is that how you say? I think it's Vichy. L'Oreal, Elizabeth Arden, lots of great stuff. Color Science. So the way that it works is they have a whole sample section. I'll leave a link to the website where you can check out their samples. So you can either buy samples of a specific product or you can buy a sample box. And what the coolest thing about this whole sample thing is that if you buy, let's say you buy a $5 sample of something from Skin Iceland, if you like that product, Amazon will give you a $5 credit to put towards a full size of that product. It's pretty amazing. So they're basically letting you try out beauty products for free. Now that is if you like it and you buy the full size. So does that make sense? So you get a $5 sample of a Skin Iceland, let's say a moisturizer. You pay $5, they send you the moisturizer. You know what? You're like, hot damn, this moisturizer is the best thing I've ever tried in my life. I want to buy the full size. Amazon will give you a $5 credit to buy the full size. So you basically got to try the sample for free. Now, if you don't like the sample then and you don't buy the full size, then you've just paid $5. But I mean, they have some really amazing things on here. And it's not just for beauty, friends. You can do this for sports and nutrition, beverages, food. For the sample boxes, I'm just looking at what they have. So they have sample boxes that are skin and hair care sample box. The sample boxes range from $5 up to 20 bucks. This box has the simple cleansing wipes. It has Aquaphor, Aveeno, so that's like body stuff. They have one here for $7 that I'd be interested in. It's like sports nutrition, so they have protein bars, protein cookies. Wow, I should actually do that. That's only $7. It's amazing. Ooh, they have a women's luxury beauty sample box. So you can try out Chi. There's a Juicy Couture perfume, Strivectin, Body Butter, Belief, La Roche. Wow, friends, this is a good deal. I don't know why more people aren't talking about this on YouTube. Maybe they have. I haven't seen any videos. I'll leave a link down below where you can check this out. The only caveat is you do have to be a Prime member. Prime is just you sign up, you pay an annual fee, and you get free 2-day shipping. It's like the best thing that's ever happened to me. I Prime everything because everything I buy from Amazon, I get free 2-day shipping because I've paid that annual fee. If you're not a Prime member, you can sign up to be a Prime member for free for a month. Leave a link down below, sign up, it's free for the first 30 days, and try out some sample boxes. And try out Prime, you might like it. And if you don't, you just cancel it after 30 days. So I'll leave a link to everything down below. It's amazing, friends. I'm getting choked up talking about it. I don't know why more people aren't talking about it. All right, so let's jump into some product reviews. If you're new around here, I like to show you products I've been loving, not loving, any new PR I've gotten at the end of all of my videos. So let's jump into it. First up, this product I showed you guys, I think over a year ago. I remember showing this to you. I was in my car, the top was down. I showed this to you over a year ago. I just got rid of it because I just finished it. Like, I've been using it for a year and I thought, crap, why did I get rid of that? Because I wanted to like update you guys on it. I love this stuff. This is the Clarins Hydra Essential Bi-Phase Serum. You guys know I love Clarins. I love their lip oils. I rave about their firming night cream. Let me go get that night cream because that night cream is amazing. Hang on. I love Clarins. Hang on. Okay, this is the night cream. This is the Clarins Extra Firming Night Cream. My mom and I use it. We both love it. It's very expensive, but if you're looking for a moisturizing, firming night cream, I highly recommend this one. But this isn't what I wanted to tell you about. It's about their Bi-Phase Serum. I love that stuff. I'm going to repurchase it. It took me so long to use it up. I literally started using it a year ago because my skin was really dry last winter. So you put it on before your moisturizer and it just quenches your skin. But then again. I stopped using it because my skin got a little oily and then it got a little dry. So I use it when my skin is really, really dry, and I really like that. I'll leave a link to it down below. Next up is another oldie but a goodie. I showed this to you guys a year ago in that same video. It was actually a live stream and I had the top down. If any of you were around since then, let me know in the comments down below because that's an old one. That's when I used to live stream, I think every Sunday. This is the blackIUp Tinted Moisturizer. Now, I really like this, but I'm a full coverage girl. At that time, I wanted to try like lighter weight foundations because we were going into summer, and I was like, I should try it. But it's so funny when I scratch my wig, like the whole thing moves, and I forget that in public. So I'll like scratch my head and the whole wig is like shifting and people look at you like, oh my god. It's funny. So if you like really lightweight coverage foundations, you'll like this. Makes sense, right? It's called a tinted moisturizer. It's not called a tinted full coverage foundation. So it is nice. I just need more coverage. Even in the summer, I don't really go for BB creams, tinted moisturizers. Although I do think I did wear that to the gym and I did enjoy it. So it's really nice if you like a lightweight coverage. If you're a full coverage person like me, don't expect it to give you like full coverage capacity. It's just not going to capacity. It's just not going to do that. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, it's long wearing. I really like it. I'll leave a link to it down below. I don't know why more people don't talk about blackIUp Cosmetics. I actually did a full review video on them a long time ago. If I can find it, I'll leave a link to it down below. All right, so this is a product that's brand new to me that I have quickly become a fan of. This is the This is the Patchology Restoring Night Cloud Mask Moisturizer. I love this stuff. It says it has retinol, peptides, hyaluronic acid. It's like a thick but lightweight whipped texture. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging too. I love the color. It soaks into the skin. It literally is like whipped. I wish you guys could feel it. It's like dense but light. It's amazing. You put it onto the skin. It sinks into the skin very nicely. Moisturizes very quickly. You can put it on. It is a night cream. They suggest putting it on at night before you go to bed. Let's see. They sent this little insert, which is cute. It says has hyaluronic acid, which hydrates skin, retinol, which helps speed up cell turnover, peptides, which reduces fine lines, and 17 plant extracts. I've quickly become a fan of I was going to say Skin Iceland, of Patchology. I love Skin Iceland too, but I've been using their eye gels on myself and my boyfriend. We both love them. It's just you put on the eye gels, 10-15 minutes later your eyes feel rejuvenated. I love this night cream. It has a very light, fresh scent. The Patchology and the Clarins I really like. Clarins is really good for firming. This is pricey, but it's good. The Patchology is really good for moisture and just like quenching your skin's thirst. I love it. I'm all about the night creams right now, friends. All about it. Speaking of skincare, since we're talking about skincare, this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Speaking of oldies but goodies, I went back and looked at my old videos. I've been talking about this for 2 years now. So this is a serum you put on before you do your moisturizer once your skin is clean. I love this stuff. This has been around forever. My mom's used this. I think even my grandma uses this. We love this stuff, and it comes with a little dropper like so. You need very little of it. It's pricey, but a little bit goes a long way. Listen, friends, I splurge on skincare. That's where I spend most of my money. Not makeup, not even wigs. I splurge most of it on skincare because if you've got good skin, friends, everything else falls in line. I actually feel like my wig looks better when my skin looks good. How crazy is that? But I really do believe that. So I'm nuts. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I've been using it for years. I'll probably continue to use it for years. And my daughter will probably use it just like my mom uses it. I love it. And then lastly, from Eylure, this is a new product to me that I have quickly fallen in love with. This is their Blend and Care False Eyelash Blending Mascara. So the way this works is you put this on as your mascara, which I love. Look at this wand. Look at how thin and long it is. I love wands like that because it helps to really elongate my short stubby lashes. Put this on your lashes, your natural lash. Then you put on your fake lash, and then you put this on again to blend them together, and it works like a dream. Now, I was thinking if you don't wear fake lashes, you wouldn't like this, but this is an awesome mascara just to use as a mascara, even if you don't wear fake lashes. But if you wear fake lashes, as I do, and I love these lashes, I'm trying out some new lashes for something I'll be telling you about soon. Fingers crossed, hopefully. So I love these lashes, but I'm testing out products currently for something I can't tell you about. but you will know before the end of the year. That's all I can say. How annoying is that? Anyways, I've really been liking this a lot. I use it alone as its own mascara. I use it when I put my lashes on, and it blends everything seamlessly. Because if any of you wear fake lashes, you know that sometimes your natural lash, if you look really close, is like separated from the lash. So I usually just push them together, but I use this and it just blends this one. I love it. I've quickly become a fan of Eylure. I really like their lashes too. So that is it for me, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below. Did you already know about Amazon samples? I didn't know until recently. Have you seen any other videos on it? Are you going to try it? I will leave a link to everything down below because I feel like you guys need to know about it. That is it for me. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you soon. Ciao.
Oh, yeah.
I am missing a tooth. I'm missing a tooth. Hallelujah. I'm missing a tooth. I'm getting it put in. I'm getting it implanted. Okay. Get it together, Nikki.